going, guys? Donnie coming to you from Massage Fan Pinkustyle. Thank you for all the guys out there who participated in the Alivehoon sweepstakes. We're going to get the winner, full-size poster, a magazine Drifting Goku with a Alivehoon in the magazine, and also you're going to get a Pinkustyle Yeni. So again, it wasn't a ton of contestants, but the guys who did enter, you entered and you got your name on it. Winner to is going to be Mr. And these are usernames, so hopefully I don't screw these up. So winners are going to be Mr. O. It's going to be Ichiban Dory and Ryan. I'll put the name there. I can't even say your name, but anyway, congratulations to the 3 winners. I'll contact you guys and get you guys addresses and get the stuff shipped out. Also, if you want to get the small size poster here, all you gotta do is order something from Pinkustyle, sticker, vinyl, magazine, whatever, and I'll throw one of these in there for free. So this is just a promotional things. I got these from a director, so I'm not gonna sell these. That's a snake move to do that. So I'll get these in there. I got a few other big posters, but I'll keep those for a later thing or whatever. So again, thank you guys for sharing and doing all that cool stuff and support out there. Again, the support out there is gradual. I don't have big numbers and big followers, but again, I am very thankful for the guys who do take the time out to follow my page, check out YouTube and all that good stuff. So this is 6 years of business with Pinkustyle. I've done very cool stuff, and it's only the beginning. A lot of stuff is going to happen. So eventually more people will get on board, but again, you base fans or followers, I don't want to call you guys fans, your followers or customers that are on board now. Again, thank you guys so much, and you guys will benefit first, and I really want to extend that appreciation to you guys. So it's going to be Donnie signing up from Massage Fan Pinkustyle. See you guys later. Peace.